let's unbox a Goodwill mystery box here. It's supposed to be all new with tags, so let's see what the quality is. I don't know. Well, I have no idea what this jacket is. It says Work Rest Karma clothing at Matteo Gottardi, New York City, and it says it retailed for $248, so never heard of the brand, but okay. Oh, I didn't know there was gonna be shoes in here. These are kind of cool. They're members only. Of course, new tags. There's like a lot of stuff in here. I thought it was all like just like clothing wise. Cephos collection belt, retail for $75. I mean, okay. Here is a pxclothing.com little basic hat. Said it retailed for $35. Here we have a pink and dolphin little jacket. Retail on that is $149. Not sure who's making up these prices. I've not heard of this brand either. Okay. Alright, here's a brand that I know but I don't pick up usually is Ben Sherman. So cute, looks like button down. $69 retail. We have another Ben Sherman. Cute pattern. Oh, Ben Sherman jeans. We have Taylor Vintage button down. Doesn't have, oh wait, no. Retail $98. Then Nifty Genius button down. Retail $68. Nifty Genius again. This time it's like some pants. Not sure what that is. Oh, we got another Nifty Genius. $68 retail. pxclothing.com. Looks like a basic kind of Henley. $42 retail. Another Ben Sherman button up. Jack's Clothing Company. These are just pants, $99 retail. I did not I can't even talk. I didn't know it retailed for that much, so that's interesting. We have another Taylor Vintage, retail $68. I usually do not pick that up. Actually, I don't think I ever have. So we have another button-down shirt, Society of Threads. Okay. Another Ben Sherman button down. Society of Threads button down. So it seems like mostly men in this box. Flag and Anthem. Retail $49.50 button down. Another Taylor Vintage button down flannel shirt. And here we have, oh, if I could read, level 10 basic shirt. And this one is Micros, I don't know, shirt. And then we have, let's see, oh, yep, you guessed it, Ben Sherman. Honestly don't know if that sells well or not because I've never picked it up because it didn't look like it did. Okay, now here we go. We have some new Tag Mavi jeans, skinny, I believe men's as well, but there we go. There's something better than Ben Sherman. Rising Sun & Co. I have not heard of that. Retail $65. Let's see here. 7 Diamonds Performance. Some type of athletic golf pants probably. No retail on that. Never heard of this brand. Another tailored vintage pants. Jack's New York pants. Again, didn't know they retailed too much. So this one's only $89. I already forgot what the other pair was. And then we got some J brand. Finally some women's up in here. Retail $198 on these. And then lastly, we got this pair of shoes. Nick Graham. Just little loafers, I suppose. Not seeing, oh, 8. So I think they're men's. Not sure what they retailed for, but yeah, that was my box. 30 pieces. I'm not impressed. Just gonna leave it at that.